Well, here's some cars that really need some restoration. I acquired these in 2003, and they've been sitting in this box of junk since then because the end railings are broke and I didn't have a way really of fixing them. Well, I have come up with a scheme to fix them. I have a junk Walther's train line GE locomotive shell that's junk, and I'm gonna strip some of the railings off and make myself a railing. Just look at the dust on these things. Yuck. So this will be a major restoration project, and I'll keep you up to date with the progress. Okay, after some intense cleaning and tricky cleaning with the brush, we now have some good looking cars, and we're ready for the next step.